Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Penang family. Today I will show how to cook vegetable biryani fast and easy. Yes friends, I love to cook something that is fast yet delicious. I'm sharing this with you. Here I'm going to use a rice cooker. So I heat up the rice cooker pot, add oil, spices for biryani, 2 medium onions, saute till it's a little brown. For the list of spices, I wrote it down in the descriptions. You can look below. Friends, I use oil, not ghee, because the taste of ghee will overshoot the taste of biryani. So I only use oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I didn't thaw my ginger garlic paste. I have to give it a knock. Okay, let it melt and then cook a little while. Now I'm going to add in biryani masala. Any brand should be fine, or you can even blend your own biryani masala. 2 teaspoons of biryani masala. Tips again friends, do not add turmeric powder because it will give the biryani a different taste. But you can add in chili powder. I add about 2 teaspoons chili powder and cook a little while in the oil. Add in the vegetables. Add water and cook the vegetable with the masala. Here I used French beans, carrots, radish, potato, cauliflower and coriander leaves. Next step will be to add the rice. So make sure you wash and drain the biryani rice. Add salt. So the biryani rice, you can use any type of rice, basmathi, or even you can use normal rice, brown rice. Here I'm going to use seeraga samba. Stir together the masala and the vegetable. After about 3 minutes like that, I add in the uncooked rice. And here again, I'm going to give it a little stir and make sure I fry the uncooked rice with the oil and the vegetable and the masala, because it will give an end result that the rice is fluffy and not sticking together. So you can do this process for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add hot water to maintain the heat. For 4 cups, I used about 6 cups of hot water. Use the same cup measurement and transfer the pot into the rice cooker. And also I always cover with foil paper if you have a foil paper, also to maintain the heat. I cook for about 20 minutes, then I keep warm for about 10 minutes. Then after, when we are going to serve the biryani, you can open the foil cover and you can see the biryani is fluffy and not sticking together, and it's delicious. Friends, try and enjoy making this biryani at home. It's tasty. Thank you for watching. And that's my son chased because finishing the raw onions. And now my daughter also wants the onion. Children are always children. Friends, if you enjoy watching family vlog, this is the place for you. Please like, share and subscribe.